how to see Reels history on Facebook. So if this video helped you, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated after uploads in this channel. So let us go to our Facebook account, and in our Facebook account, click on the three lines, and then here click on the gear icon at the top right corner. After that, under the preferences, go to your time on Facebook, and in here we have a few options. So let us go to see your time, and here you can scroll down and click on the community or groups, events, and reels, and then you can see the reels here. You can also see the reels that you have saved and reel drafts that you have made, so you can just access it and explore it here. But right now I don't have any, but for you maybe you have. So I hope this tutorial helps, and thank you for watching.